Contingency clauses in home purchase contracts. Contingency clauses are important components of home purchase contracts that protect buyers and sellers by outlining specific conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed. Here are some contingency clauses. 1. Finance contingency. This clause states that the purchase of the home is contingent upon the buyer securing a mortgage loan. If the buyer is unable to secure financing within a specific period, they can back out of the contract without penalty. Mortgage contingency, right? Appraisal contingency. This clause allows the buyer to cancel the contract or renegotiate the purchase price if the home doesn't appraise for the agreed upon value. So if it doesn't agree, you can renegotiate. The appraisal is typically ordered by the buyer's lender, the bank, the mortgage company, to ensure the home is worth the loan amount. 3. Home inspection contingency. This clause gives the buyer the right to have the home inspected by a professional inspector. If the inspection reveals significant issues, the buyer can request repairs or back out of the contract. 4. Sales contingency. A sales contingency allows the buyer to back out of a contract if they are unable to sell their current home within a specific period. This clause is common when the buyer needs the proceeds from the current home sale to purchase a new home. Title contingency. Number 5. This clause states that the sale is contingent upon the seller being able to provide clear and deliverable title to the property. If there are any issues, the buyer can cancel the contract. Home sale contingency. 6. This clause allows the buyer to back out of the contract if the seller is unable to find suitable housing within a specific period. This is common when the seller needs to sell their current home before purchasing a new one. Contingency clauses are negotiable, and the specific terms can vary based on the preference of the buyer and the seller. It's important for both parties to carefully review and understand the contingency clauses. Speak to your attorney in a home purchase contract to ensure they are protected throughout the transaction. My name is Peter Mancini with Penn Realty. If you need a great attorney or you want to go over any of these contingency clauses, please let me know. Go to pennrealty.net.